Hello, this is Emily from Million Mile Secrets. Million Mile Secrets is a blog all about how to travel for cheap. In other words, how to have big travel with small money. In our last session, we talked about what to know before you get started in this hobby, such as being organized and having a credit score of around 700 or above. In today's session, we're going to talk about travel goals and why they're so important. It's important to have travel goals because you don't want to sign up for credit cards and then not end up using the miles and points. It's better to have a goal in mind so that you can focus your credit card strategy. One goal that you might have is to travel around the US to see family and friends. This goal is going to be very different than, say, if you want to travel internationally on business class. So, better understanding your travel goals and therefore your strategy to meet those goals is one of the first steps that you should do when getting into the miles and points hobby. For some more understanding, you can go to our Hot Deals tab. This will bring up all of our credit card offers that you can do some more research to see what credit card might be best for you. You can also go through our trip reports and browse different trips that we've taken all on miles and points and how you can do the same thing. This concludes session 2 of our beginner's guide to miles and points. Thank you so much for watching and happy travels.